Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look who's here again. Help. Help is here. So look, Kitt is here and the dash is open this time. Look how beautiful it is. Super smooth. Come on, Kitt, talk. Super nice. Man, your scanner is bright.
Compared to yours, yeah.
Yep.
One thing at a time.
Yeah.
Eventually.
So, okay. Today we did a lot of work. Chris did an awesome job, man, for the secondary battery. Everything is right there. Look at the fuse box, all the wiring is done. Wiring came all through there. There you can see it going over here. Fuse box is there. Now I'm fixing. I did shorten the wires for the dash, so we're about to put the dash back in to see if everything works. I'm gonna have to put my radio back in. So yeah, it's been a couple of hours. He got here, and I think it's at 1 o'clock, and now it's 8:30. So it's been a while. He did an awesome job. So super pumped. Everything is going well. Wiring is coming out right from here and to the battery. Now the charger is hooked on because the battery was low a little bit. So yeah, man, super happy. So I just put the connectors on the wires. The wires are welded on the original plug. I have a connector here for my H-beam, left turn, right turn, tamp, oil, and something else I don't remember. I need to do another connector for those wires, but for now it's okay for the dash to light up, so to power up. So the wires are done. For now I have this connector, but that's going to change. You have to wire that to another board for the board box and the panp button and everything. So I just did this connector. So yeah, everything is going well. And super nice replica. All right, guys. Hey guys, it's 1:30 in the morning. We're exhausted, yeah, but everything is working like it should. So I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this. So awesome. The radio is gonna kick in. Come on, radio.
After all, we're only human, right?
So it was a little bit of a headache, but Chris was able to do everything like he wanted to be, and I'm super happy with that.
You have a secondary battery on top of that?
Yeah, the secondary battery is hooked up, so that's a big plus. When I'm going to a car show, I want to drain the main battery. So second battery is there. So it was a hell of a big day, but we accomplished what we wanted. So, and now my friend Chris has how much time? 1 hour drive?
About an hour.
An hour drive to get home, and it's 1:30 in the morning. So yeah, So, all right, guys, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye. Oh man, thank you, buddy, for all the work, and have a safe trip.
Yeah, man.
And see you next.
Next week again.
All right, thank you, man.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.